Hello everyone, welcome and thank you for joining my channel. In this video, I want to show you guys this snow goggles from Outdoor Master. Alright, here we go. Let's have a quick look at the clear lens first. It's nice and clear and has magnets all around the outer edges. On the top center, here we have is the Outdoor Master logo. And on the side it says Ultra, indicating the model of these goggles. Wow, look at these blue lens, isn't it beautiful? Once again, here we have is the Outdoor Master logo at the top. I personally think it's a nice detailed design. Here on the side it says Ultra, indicating the model. Now looking at the strap, there's the brand name, Outdoor Master, nicely printed in blue letters against the orange background. This goggle is a one size fit all, and all along the strap has a non-slip grip, making sure that this goggles does not slip off your helmet. This foam pad is soft and comfortable, nicely padded all around, and it's also breathable. Now here along the goggles, here we have is air vents to provide good air circulation and to prevent condensation. On this lens, it has an anti-fog coating to ensure fog-free vision. I almost forgot to mention, but this strap feels very sturdy. Now let me show you what the goggles look like without the lens. The frame is also strong and durable. It will probably last a lifetime. Switching to different lenses is quick, convenient, and easy. When trying out the lens in person, it actually looks much better, and it's actually not that orangey like in this video. My camera can't seem to pick it up. When wearing these goggles, I see clarity, and while looking through the lenses, it feels comforting and it's less strain on my eyes.